Hello class, today we're going to learn about FOIL. Sometimes when you're solving domain and range of quadratics, you'll have an equation that looks different, maybe like this. That's when FOIL comes to help. FOIL is simply first, outer, inner, and last. So when you're solving this quadratic equation, first you need to take these two terms because they're first, and that will get you x squared. Then you need to do the outer term, which is this, and that's 4 times x, which is 4x. Then you do the inner terms, which is this, and that's 2x. And finally you do the last term, which is simply 2 times 4, which is 8. Now as you see, you have two like terms. Then you can simplify this to x squared plus 6x plus 8. Now you see that we have a quadratic equation which we could graph and solve the domain and range for. Let's do another example. Let's try x plus 3, x plus 5. Now, remember this. First, outer, inner, and last. So first, just like this one, we're going to take the first two terms, x times x, which is x squared. Then, we're going to do x times 5, which is 5x. Then, 3 times x, which is 3x. Then, 15. For 3 times 5. Then you get x squared plus 8x plus 15. Now let's try something harder. Let's try x squared plus 6 and x squared plus 7. Now, this might look different because of the squares, but you're still following the rule first, outer, inner, and last. So here you had x times x, which you did x squared for both of these. Here you have x squared times x squared, so that's just x to the power of 4. Then you have x squared times 7, which is 7x squared. Then you have 6 times x squared, which is 6x squared. Then you have 6 times 7, which is 42. Then you just simplify the equation again, because you have two like terms. So that's x4 plus 13x squared plus 42. This is how the FOIL method comes into handy. Because when you're having a difficulty trying to solve the equation because it's like in this form, then simply you just need to FOIL it and then you can find the domain and range of the quadratic function. Thank you.